So Chipo Mshego posted a pic aina Tawanda Chishato with a caption yakanzi fungai zvamada henyu. And someone commented kuti varume unovada Chipo waunzurike tsitsi. And then Chipo replied, udandide imbwa here. At this point, I feel like a lot of people need to be educated about when we're disabled. They are just like us, and they've got feelings that in a way or they feel the same. One to walk to dog to panapa daita murume wangu. One to feel out the same way. One to go to my hormones. Chipona great men, according to Zimbabweans, they are not allowed to have my relationship. One to our fan anyone. Up to now, people still think uti Chipo munaka mitisa akambatira. And people try to imagine kuti murume rudzi Chipo did not give consent to baba vari born. Ndo zvinogara zvingotaura nevanhu. Great men wo next side anenge achingonzi mukadzi uya hasi wake anorara nevamwe varume. Ndo zvinenge zvichitaura kunzi mwana ndowasulu, mwana akazodai so. So I think kuti mentality iyoyo maZimbabweans, it should be taken away. And Chipo is actually addressing everybody on this. Hands dear followers. Ari kuadresa futi ropafadzo uyo anyora kuti varume unovadawo Chipo waunzurike tsitsi. And dear followers, why do you choose to believe that I need your mercy? Ropa, I do not remember asking for anyone's mercy before, particularly from yourself. I'm curious, what makes you think that I need your mercy? Can you educate me objectively, Ropa, why you think I should not have an interest in the opposite sex? Why I should not fraternize with any Zimbabwean man or artist or fan or whoever because of unhelpful comments such as yours? What are you implying exactly here? It looks like you are insinuating that because I'm disabled, I shouldn't pose for photographs with fellow able humans to lose my badge of honor that people who seriously need educating like yourself have placed on me. I need you to hear this from me. I was not created by God to be an object of mercy for you. Thank you for your comment. Actually, you have inspired me yet again that I was born to advocate for people who were born differently so that we can spread the message of respect, kindness, and love for everyone. You have given me a trigger and more energy to school people who need awareness from those who have lived experience of navigating life as a disabled person. We need compassion towards each other as a society. We need to humanize everybody. Every human being must be treated with respect and allowed by society to reach their fullest potential. That includes disabled people. I'm a hardworking mother of one and I've never begged you for your mercy. Please take your mercy elsewhere. It doesn't belong to my page. Here, negative energy and insult are not what we stand for. Just so you know, if a disabled person is looking for a life companion, it is not a call for mercy. It is simply human. It wasn't the case this time for you. For your own information, this was my fellow artist and fan who I was working together with on Duke Pray and Slay in Chirundu to raise awareness against drug abuse and gender-based violence against girls. These are the things that matter. Right now, I must focus on making mobility aids such as wheelchairs available to many who need them. I need allies to help me assist my fellow disabled humans who suffer because of many reasons, including comments such as yours. As a disabled person, I'm truly blessed and privileged to be able to do what I do. To conclude, my encouragement is the next time you see a disabled person, view them as a wholesome human being, not a subject of pity. Everyone deserves Ubuntu to make this world a better place for all of us. Thank you. I don't think we need to add anything from what Chipo is saying panapa, because I think kuti vanhu vane urema vanorarama neurema vanongotarisirwa pasi, and Chipo is saying to us now that we should stop all that. Iyo anotoda kutoroorwawo at some point. He also needs to get married one day. We need to be very careful with what we say kune vamwe vanhu, because zvimwe zvanhu zvinenge zvichitrigger my emotions evanhu. Chipo one day tinenge kuzomuonawo achiroorwa achiwana someone else. And also basa raari kuita Chipo rinotokunda vanhu vasiri kurarama neurema. So tinoti like kuti I think kuti purpose yaChipo ari kuiseva well than isusu tine makumbo nemaoko tiri kufamba tisina urema. Ipapa, I think we need also to think carefully and not think for ourselves and think for others as well. I don't know what you guys think. I think Chipo has been trolled on the internet enough is enough now. I think kuti zvanyanya zvongonzi chipo ihure, chipo anoda varume, chipo akazodai. So I think vedu ngachimusewo chipo tiregere kungoramba chingotaura zvinhu kwatisina kuswera. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts? Panyaya, you are a subscriber. Please make sure that you are subscribed and see you in my next video.